Hello everyone, welcome back. Yay! In today's video, tag along with me as I change the hair freshener in the house. Yeah, this is a normal DIY hack I do in the house once every 2 months. And today I will be using this flavor, white flower and melon. That's the air freshener I'll be using. I actually got that from Sam's Club, about $15. And these are the used hair freshener plug. And what I will be doing is to remove all the used hair freshener bottle from the air freshener plug. And I'll put this in and we will be good for another 2 months. And this will actually give the house a good, natural, wonderful smell. Yeah, these are the used air freshener bottle, which I got out from the air freshener plug. And again, I have about 18 hair freshener, which I'll be putting into this air freshener plug. And ta-da, this will be done. This is one of the hacks I do to keep my house smell good. Yeah. And again, I'll be using this flavor, which I got from Sam's Club. This is about 7 air freshener and it costs about $15. So if you get it from Sam's Club, you'll be saving some money. And this is ready. The next thing I did was to put in the air freshener, and this is ready. Ta-da! And yay, I got about 18 air freshener plug ready to be used. And let me show you how I'll be using this. So I picked one of it, which is the gold. I actually painted this gold about 2 years ago. It normally comes like white, but this is one of the DIY home decor that I did about 2 years ago. And I will just go around the house and plug in all these 18 air fresheners, and we will be good for the next 2 months. Yeah, and this will give the house a very wonderful scent. Yeah, smell. You know, it's very, very important that your house smells good. You want to live in a good environment. And this is what I did. Again, I used 2 packs of this, about 14 in it. I have about 6 or 4 already in the pantry. Then I added that, and boom, this is ready. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comment section. Until next time, when I come your way, you still your girl. I love you. Bye for now. Thank you.